Hi guys, this is my next video for IPv6 routing for the Internet Routing Protocols Lab, uh, IP Internet Protocol and version 6. Versions IP version 6. It This lab special. This is special about configuring the system on IP version 6. IP version 6 is especially used for large number of systems. Large number of systems. When it is compared with some other systems, uh, it is 128 bits in length and written as a strings of hexadecimal values. When IPv4 is compared, it's just a 32-bit and 4-bit representation. When it comes to IP version 6, it is actually 8-bit representation, and it uses hexadecimal format, and IPv4 uses just a normal number formation. This can be written in either lowercase or uppercase. This is not case sensitive. Here is the rules for how to address an IPv6. Omitting leading zeros, rule 1, and omitting all zero segments is rule 2. Here is the example for how to omit the zero segments. And this is the prefix length. This is first 64-bit is prefix, and second 64-bit is interface ID. And there are address types in the IPv6. It is unicast. Unicast addresses are like it is from casted from a single device, and it will be reached for multi-device. Global unicast and link local, loopback, unspecified addresses, unique local, embedded addressing. Here is the types and how it is used. And here is the configuration for global unicast address. From router 1, it is cloud, it's connected to a cloud, and from two different switches and PCs, it is connected. And here is the command given how to connect it and how to give the addressing for this IPv6. Is the command IPv6 address, and this is the IPv6 address is given, which is given in the format of 8-bit. And the gigabit Ethernet is the cable line between this router and switch, which is a gigabit Ethernet connection. Here's the clock rate changes for 56,000. Here is our topology which we should configure for the experiment, and here's the addressing table for this IPv6. And the objective is to examine the network and evaluate the need for static routing, configure IPv6 static and default routes, and verifying the connectivity. Examining the network and evaluate the need for static IT. Let's look about this topology which I have configured in Cisco Packet Tracer. There are total number of networks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the answer for the first question. Topology diagram. How many networks? There are 5. How many networks are directly connected to R1, R2 and R3? For R1 there are 2, it is directly connected. For R1 it is 1, 2 and 3, and for R0 it is 1 and 2. For R2 it's 2. How many static routes are required by each router to reach networks that are not directly connected? R1 needs to configure 3 static routes because it has to reach other 2 networks which is hidden, and R2 needs only just 2 static network because it is directly connected with the 3 networks, and where R3 also directly connected with 3 networks, so it need other 3 static routes. IPv6 route /network /prefix exit interface /next hop address. This is the command for static routing configuration in IPv6. IPv6 unicast routing. Enter this command on each router, and here is the commands for how to configure and steps given. Verifying the connectivity from by giving show IPv6 route and show IPv6 interface brief. This is the result for show IPv6 interface brief, and this is the show IPv6 route. This is the details which will be given by the command prompt. Network connection is verified by, let's check with auto R1 to R2 and R1 to R3, and the command prompt says it is connected directly to other networks. And thanks for watching.